I'll bounce back and trade like a pro, your guide to recovery and discipline. Hey, you've got this. Picture this. You're staring at your screen, heart sinking as a trade goes south. Maybe it's one bad day, or maybe it's a brutal losing streak. Your confidence is shaky and doubt creeps in. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Trading isn't just about numbers, it's a mental game. This guide is your playbook to rebuild your confidence, ditch bad habits, and trade like a portfolio manager who's calm, disciplined, and in control. Let's turn setbacks into comebacks with practical steps and fun mental games you can start today. Part 1, recovering from losses. A big loss stings. It's not just your account balance, it's your confidence taking a hit. You might panic and exit trades too soon. Cling to losing trades while hoping they turn around. Skip good setups because you're scared of another loss. Or overtrade to try to make it all back in one go. These are signs your confidence is wobbling. Let's fix that step by step so you can trade with clarity and swagger again. Rule 1, keep bad days in check. Bad days happen, but they shouldn't wipe you out. Your rule is simple. A bad day shouldn't cost more than what you make on a good day. For example, if you average $700 on a winning day, don't lose much more than that when things go wrong. Why? Because big losses spark a mess of emotion, anger, fear, even revenge. That's when you start making sloppy trades. Stay in control and you'll keep your head clear for the next opportunity. Step 1, own it. No matter what caused the loss, a surprise news drop, a glitch, or just a bad call, it's on you. That's not harsh, it's empowering. Owning it means you can fix it. Stop blaming the market or your internet connection. Accept that trading means risk. Ask yourself, what could I have done better? Maybe you need a less volatile market, a backup Wi-Fi hotspot, automatic stop losses, or a daily loss limit to shut down trading if you hit it. The biggest culprit is usually betting too big or ignoring your rules. Spot it, fix it. Owning your trades puts you back in the driver's seat. Step 2, back to basics. Losses can make you forget why you love trading. Let's reconnect with that spark. Dust off your plan and tweak it to fix what went wrong. Focus on execution and nail your strategy trade by trade. Remember why you started, building a system that wins consistently. A loss is just the market nudging you, saying, you're off track. Use it to get sharper. Step 3, practice without pressure. After a rough patch, your head's not ready for live trading. That's okay. Hit the demo account and trade with fake money for 2 to 5 days. With no real money on the line, there's no stress. You can focus on your moves, not your wallet. A few winning days will remind you, I've got this. It's like a mental reset button. Step 4, ease back in. When you're ready for live trading, don't dive in with huge bets. Start tiny. Trade small on day 1. A small win feels amazing, and a small loss won't crush you. Scale up slowly. After a winning day, bump your size by 10 to 15%. Keep it gradual. Be patient. Even if you're itching to go big, rushing back can backfire. Slow and steady rebuilds your groove. Part 2, mental games to trade like a pro. Now, let's level up your discipline with fun, game-like exercises. These aren't just drills, they're brain hacks to make you think and act like a portfolio manager, not a gambler chasing thrills. Game 1, capital buckets. Stop treating your account like one big casino chip. This game trains you to manage risk like a pro. Grab a notebook or a spreadsheet. And Game 2, the 3-strike challenge. This gamifies discipline so you cringe at impulsive moves. You get 3 strikes per day. A strike is any trade outside your plan, such as a revenge trade, no stop loss, or a giant lot size. Hit 3 strikes and you're benched for the day. Burning a strike on a dumb move hurts, and soon you'll hate breaking your rules. That's the discipline you need. Game 3, the slow leverage flip. Most traders crank up bets when losing. Let's flip that habit, take a loss, and cut your next trade size by half. Score a planned win and boost your size by 10 to 15%. It feels weird at first, but it trains your brain to scale up when you're winning, not when you're desperate. You'll start loving controlled wins. Or Game 4, trade like a hedge fund boss. Imagine you're running a $100 million fund, this drill makes every trade feel serious and strategic. Once a week, pretend you're pitching your trades to a boardroom of investors. For each trade, write a short explanation covering why you took it, how much capital you risked, and whether you followed your risk rules. You'll stop gambling and start thinking like a portfolio manager who answers to stakeholders. Every trade becomes a calculated move. Game 5, the 3-minute cooldown. Revenge trades come from gut impulses. This hack slows you down. If you feel the urge to smash the trade button in frustration, set a 3-minute timer. While waiting, jot down what's got you fired up, what your trading plan is, and whether the trade actually fits your plan. Most urges fade before the timer dings. You'll go from reacting like a hothead to deciding like a pro. It's like giving your brain a chill pill. Part 3, your daily and weekly playbook. Make these habits stick with a simple routine. In the morning, take 5 minutes to check your capital buckets and risk rules and picture yourself as a portfolio manager calmly managing millions. During trading, stick to the 3-strike challenge and use the 3-minute cooldown whenever you're tempted. After trading, spend 10 minutes journaling. Ask yourself, did I trade like a portfolio manager or like a gambler?
Give yourself a grade from A to F. Once a week, run the hedge fund boss drill. Present your trades as if you're facing investors. What you'll gain. These steps and games transform you. Capital buckets give you detachment, making you see your account as a portfolio, not a single bet. Scaling up on wins instead of losses builds consistency and steady growth. You'll gain a new identity, no longer the trader chasing quick bucks, but a portfolio manager growing capital with precision. By owning losses and practicing deliberately, you'll become resilient and unbreakable. Your comeback starts now. Losses don't define you. They're just part of the game. You already have the edge to crush it. What you need is discipline and structure. These steps and games are your tools to rebuild confidence and trade like a pro. Start small, play the games, and watch yourself evolve into a trader who thrives under pressure. The market is waiting. Go take it on.